Talk about your extreme home makeover. For 9 years, Dan and Lisa Bonin have either designed a new home or remodeled an older existing home with the best stuff available. It sometimes takes many months to get the home into shape, and the last couple of days before the show, there's always a flurry of last-minute activity.
This year's house is really interesting because it is a French country-style home, but it's also done with a lot of modern amenities to it, so it's truly a family home.
This year's home is at the end of Henderson Avenue off of Renfro Road. The home is a basic French country design in the Talladega community. It's more than 4,000 square feet on about an acre of land, complete with open living room, kitchen area, a separate game room area, complete with the kitchen, and a master bedroom area. They all open onto the backyard pool patio area. But with so many homes falling into disrepair because of the economy, even some homes being auctioned off in foreclosure, you just have to ask, why hold a showcase now with such fancy things?
It's just a day to spend with our friends visiting. We get to come and dream and look at something, that's so beautiful and support the charity.
The designers and artisans are all local. Each has been given a specific room to decorate.
We have been given the honor of decorating the living room, the dining room, and the powder bath. And the owner of the home has a country French style, and so we've tried to go with that so that she could enjoy what we've done.
It's fun to be able to bring our own artistic abilities in, but then also reflect the personalities of the homeowner.
Tours begin Saturday morning from 11 till 5, and they run through November the 9th. The cost is $20, but the proceeds are given to Club Zion, a charitable group that the Bonins are involved with that helps wayward youth.